On Earth, we are familiar with three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. But the Sun and 99% of the visible universe refuses to fit into these boxes. The Sun is a plasma. It is the fourth state of matter, born when a gas is heated so intensely that its atoms can no longer hold onto their electrons. In this environment, the civilized structure of the atom is gone. What remains is a turbulent, electrified sea of positively charged ions and free-roaming electrons. In this chaotic sea, we leave classical physics behind and enter the domain of quantum electrodynamics, or QED. Because every particle in a plasma is charged, they are constantly talking to each other through electromagnetic fields. Every movement of an electron sends out a ripple, a virtual photon, that influences every other particle around it. In the Sun, matter and light are inseparable. They are locked in a continuous exchange of energy and momentum. This isn't just a gas, it is a single, massive, quantum interconnected system. Because plasma is conductive, it carries the Sun's magnetic fields with it as it moves. This creates a feedback loop. The magnetic fields move the plasma, and the moving plasma twists the magnetic fields. At a quantum level, these fields are made of force-carrying particles that create immense tension. When these magnetic lines get too twisted, they snap and reconnect in a process that releases more energy than millions of hydrogen bombs. This is the source of solar flares, a macroscale event driven by the subatomic behavior of charged particles. When you look at the Sun through this lens, it ceases to be a static ball of gas. It behaves like a living, dynamic system. Waves of energy, alphane waves, ripple through the plasma, carrying information and heat from the core to the outer atmosphere. These waves and instabilities are the pulse of the Sun. The Sun breathes, it pulses, and it reacts. It is an emergent masterpiece where simple quantum interactions between electrons and ions scale up to create the most powerful object in our neighborhood. We often think of space as empty, but it is filled with this electrified fourth state. Plasma is the fabric of the stars. It is the environment where quantum electrodynamics turns chaos into the light that fuels life. To understand plasma is to understand the true language of the cosmos. The Sun isn't just a light in the sky. It is a complex, quantum electric machine, a living testament to the power of the fourth state of matter.